Hi. So we made a pong game using some computer vision. Basically, we are tracking these green paddles. Like this green paddle that I'm holding right now is being tracked by this camera that's fed into the D2. And you can look on the picture-in-picture in the other monitor over there, which is the paddle that I'm holding right now. So it's being tracked quite well. And we chose to track a green paddle basically because it's the least abundant color in this room. There's no vegetation or anything. And so basically what we're looking for is the largest green object. So basically the way it works is we go scan line by scan line, and we look for the largest consecutive string of pixels that match the target color that we need. And we call that the equator of the object, and we pretty much set that as our so we basically keep comparing that with other green objects that we're tracking, and we just pick the largest one.
And the camera you're using is the little Canon?
Right. So we're just using the digital to composite output, and it comes in here and YCBCR, and it gets converted to RGB for the VGA output.
And tell me why you have 3 DE2s here?
Basically because we are using SD RAM for our tracking and for the NIO CPU that's running the game code. So these two slave DE2s are running the detection while the center one's running the game code.
Gotcha.
There actually was not enough room on the board to use one. We were actually able to get one board working in single player mode, and it also could do picture-in-picture, but that wasn't fine enough for the project.
Okay.
So to go to 2-player, we had to do 3 DE2s.
Okay, if I can get back here far enough, I can just get the 2 players in there. So you want to play a game now?
Let's get out of our chairs too.
Yeah.
To highlight the.
Sorry.
All right, ready?
Yeah. So there's also curveball mechanics. So if you hit the ball while you're moving the paddle, it curves.
Oh, very clever.
Acceleration. And my partner took such a pain.
So bad at this.
Somebody has been putting in the gameplay hours here, I can see.
Too good. And
yeah.
So
never been able to get a good volleyball.
So each of you has a view of the other person and the other person's paddle as a picture-in-picture.
Right.
You have you have 2D control of your paddle being scanned by the camera, and you have perspective transformation for the ball itself.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, the camera only stays on.
The camera times out. Okay, that's all right. We'll see you play again, but let me get over here and get it from a different angle.
All right. I'll try not to suck.
Yeah, try not to suck so bad. To use a technical term.
See, I'm doing better this time.
I see you are.
Or maybe I'm taking it easy.
Oh.
Very nice.